Welcome back, folks. This is Basir Pirzada, your real estate broker and your loan officer. So, yes, one stop shop. We buy the real estate for you, help you buy it, and we secure the loan for you. So, today's topic is bank statement loans. Before I go into the details of that, please like, share, subscribe to this channel so I can continue to bring you more relevant topics as they come up. So, bank statement loan, a home loan based on your bank statements instead of your conventional 1040 W-2s, pay stubs, the full documentations, whatnot. I'm sure all of you are aware of it. The bank statement loan is really best suited for self-employed or small business owners, because if you're a small business owner and you have a good CPA, your CPA should make sure to account for all the deductions and expenses that you can account for. So at the end of the year, you have a very low taxable reportable income. So based on that, you may not qualify for a full documentation conventional home loan or FHA loan. Hence, the bank statement loan comes into your assistance. It's considered a non-qualified mortgage loan. So what's the difference between a qualified mortgage and a non-qualified mortgage? Qualified mortgage loans are loans that are conventional or FHA that the lenders can turn around and sell it to government organizations like Fannie Mae. They have lower risk factor because they involve a lot of documentation like I just told you about. Non-qualified mortgages like bank statement loans are kind of like on the high side of risk. So high risk lenders engage in those, but the flip side is they're considered non-qualified mortgages, so they cannot sell it to government agencies. They can only sell it to other private lenders. So how does a business bank statement loan works? Typically, we require about 12 to 24 months of bank statements. Currently have a loan package. The lender will accept 13 months of your personal or business bank statements. What we look for is a steady stream of deposits coming in. You don't have to worry about how much your expenses are. As long as we can show for 13 months, you have a steady stream of deposits coming in. We add them up. We apply an expense factor ratio of 50%. What that means is that if your deposits coming in are about $100,000 a month, 50% of that is $50,000, and we take that into account as kind of like your income. In some cases, if your CPA can write a letter saying that the business expenses for the nature of business that you're in are only 25%, your income can be boosted up to 75% of deposits made each month. Rest of the stuff is pretty much same as regular loans, credit score, DTI, all the good stuff. Typically, business bank statement loans require a credit score of about 670 or higher. The higher, the better. It'll help you get a better interest rate. Debt to income ratio is also taken into account. So if you have properties that you have paid off regarding your personal finances or your business, that is always a huge plus for you. Things to be mindful of when you engage in business bank statement loans is that the interest rate is going to be slightly higher because of two reasons. First of all, the flexibility that is offered to you as a borrower, that you don't have to provide a whole lot of documentation, as well as the risk factor that the lender is taken on upon themselves by lending with less documentation. Some lenders may need reserves of 6 to 12 months of mortgage payments, 20% down payment because it's a non-qualified mortgage loan. Some of our lenders may go for as low as 10% down, depends on the lender. If your debt to income ratio is less than 43%, that is also a huge plus for you. My personal success rate for business bank statement loans approvals for 2024 is 100%. So that's awesome. 100% approval rate for entire 2024 year. So we're here for your business bank statement loans. It's a great solution for self-employed small business owners. With that said, the only other thing I want to bring to you is that on December 18th, the Federal Reserve will have their next meeting, and I guarantee you they are going to reduce the interest rates by another 0.25%. With that said, stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll visit you soon.